Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here in Paris at Pharmapack Europe. I'm delighted to be joined by Tatiana from PTI, and she's going to give us a quick overview of the business and also do a demo for us. So Tatiana, first of all, it's lovely to see you. I only saw you 2 weeks ago in Madrid at ISB, and I've seen you here in Paris. So first of all, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Thank you for asking.
Lovely to see you. Now, for those people not familiar with PTI, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, of course. So PTI is a packaging inspection company. We have a laboratory located in Switzerland, and we do CCI.
Brilliant. Now, I can see you've got a machine behind you. So what are you talking to visitors about this week?
Well, this week we are talking about high voltage leak detection, and I can guide you through a small demo.
Fantastic. So first of all, tell me, what does this machine test, first of all? What type of packaging does it test?
Everything that has liquid inside, parenterals, syringes, vials, up to 250 milliliter vial.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So if you can see, here is the display of how this machine is teaching. You can see how these electrodes will move through the testing. We are testing a lower lug syringe. And we hit the button just to see how the machine moves, the drives through the whole syringe. And if you, for a quick check, you can see here where the leak is and the peak. That's the red graph that is displayed here in the PC.
Great. So in terms of the different types of products you can test, how large and how small?
Small, we can go to 0.5 milliliter syringe, which is, I think, the smallest, 2R. And actually, we have here another application. We just really need to change the concentric holder, and it's really a pickup. It takes you about 1 minute to change.
Fantastic. Well, that's brilliant. So what are the results that you see then on the graph? Is it just about the leakage, or does it give you the other information as well?
You can get a fail or a pass. And actually you can see it in the main screen. It displays as a red dot when it's failed and a green one when it passed.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Thank you for giving me that very quick demo.
Yes.
So there you go, viewers. If you'd like to know more about the high voltage testing and the other technologies that PTI offer in terms of leak testing, because they test a whole range of different types of packaging, not just glass vials, then come visit booth H85.
Yes, please.
And talk to Tatiana and the rest of the team. Tatiana, where else can people meet the team?
Well, we're going to be in Interfex next week, and also I think by the end of May we're going to be in PDA Basel.
Fantastic. And if they can't make it to those shows, where else can they meet? You'll get more information.
Well, you can visit our website, ccit.com, and or you can email us, and we will be available for any question.
Fantastic. Well, there you go, viewers. So if you're here at Pharmapack Paris, come and visit us down at H85. If you're at Integrator next week, check that out. If you're at PDA Basel, meet them there.
Yes.
They're also at PackX somewhere. And if you can't meet them at any of the shows, you can go to the LinkedIn page and to the website. So, Tatiana, lovely to see you again.
Thank you so much for the interview.
Another future show.
See you soon.
Thank you, viewers, for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.